Welcome to the channel. How to get honey in Palworld. Honey is a valuable resource used in recipes like cake, which is essential for breeding pals. To get honey, defeat or capture pals like Beegarde, Cinnamoth, Elizabee or Warsect, or assign Beegarde to a ranch like this one. See, it dropped honey. This Beegarde is producing honey, and then other pals are transporting that honey to the chest. Here is the honey. 196 has been collected. So this is the wrench that you need, and then assign Beegarde to that wrench. I have assigned this Beegarde to that wrench by using this. This is the assignment management station. This is Beegarde assigned in the wrench. You will unlock wrench from the technology menu when you will reach level 5, and you need 50 wood, 20 stone and 30 fiber to build this wrench. And if you want to catch Beegarde, you can find them here. So let's go there. See, here we see some Beegarde. Let's catch these Beegardes. To make sure you don't eliminate them, use this Ring of Mercy in one of accessory spots. Keep this here. Okay, if you found this guide helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.